guys, it's Lucifer. I come to a brand new video. As you know from title, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube intro for free 2019. So first of all, go to any browser you go. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this and search pandroid.com. Messed it up. First link. So this is like a free website that has many templates for your intro, outros, anything you want, basically for your YouTube videos and stuff. Let me go look for a good intro. There's the outro as well. Let me search. Like you can here search anything you want. Like let me search outros here. There's like many templates for outros now. You can even search intros, like anything. If you can't find it, search it up. So on this website, there's like many templates you can use. Might go with nah. Let me just look for a good one. I'll just go with this one. So press an opening click maker. So it's gonna come up like this. So always press this I button, you can see. Always do it. Now there's a preview. So the preview was pretty good. If you click this box with the tick inside, you can change the frame rate and the length of the video. The maximum you want to go for the length is 10 seconds. If you want to go less, feel free to go. I'm going to go with 10 seconds and 60 frames per second. So if you click this mountain thing, you can add extra scenes. So if you guys have more time, play around with this feature. So if you guys want to add your own text, press on text and write your name. Just remove this one. I'm going to write Lucifer. There's like many things you can do with this. Let me just change the font. There's like free fonts you can use. There's Epsender. So I might go with the Cartoon 6 looks good. I might go with the Babe Bass. And you can change the height. I'm gonna go with 19. No, I'm gonna go with 10. And there's the thickness, maybe 7. And no, 7 is bad. Let me go with 3. Yeah, 3 looks good. Just go change the color as well. Let me go red. If it looks good or not. No. It doesn't look good. I'm gonna go back to white. Guys, if you have more time, play around with this feature. So if you click on this firework thing, you can add a effect. If you don't like the creator's effect, you can always use your own effect. There's so many. If you guys have time, play around with this feature as well. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna leave this animation thing. So if you wanna add your own audio, you can always do that. If you don't like the creator's audio, you can always use your own. So just press on select. I don't have an audio file right now, so I'm gonna leave that. So this is where you render it. So go for good quality. That's the basics you need. You can always go to stream, takes more time. So let's see a preview. So if everything is right. So it looks pretty good. So if you want to download it, always download it in MKV. So start video render. So I'll be back when this is finished. So it's done. So download your video. So there's a trick to download it like MP4. So if I try to open it, it won't work. As you can see. So I'm going to put it in show in Finder. So I just know the name. And so search youtube.com and press the thing upload button. And just drop that file there. Let me just look for it. Oh, there it is. Now just upload it. So it's like done. So click on the video. And go video, edit video. I don't know how to use the beta, so I'm gonna go back to classic, because classic is the best. Just go back to videos. Hold up. It's not working. Oh, there we go. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. And press on the arrow and download MP4. So it's downloading. Let me just play it. So it's like it's done now. That's pretty good. So that's how you do it. So guys, thanks for watching and peace out.